Did you know that in flat Earth circles, north isn't up, it's the center? And if north is the center, then everything outward in every direction is south. That's the big idea, and it's weirdly intuitive. Grab a paper plate, pin the North Pole right in the middle. Now imagine your compass needle isn't pointing up the map, it's trying to point to the center dot. Walk anywhere around the plate, and your arrow still pulls toward the middle. Move outward, you're heading south, no matter which edge you choose. If that's the layout, then the rim of the plate is the far south, a continuous ring. In FE lore, that's the ice wall, the idea that Antarctica isn't a continent at the bottom of a globe, but a circular boundary framing all the oceans. Compass 101, it points to magnetic north, not geographic north. On a plate world, that's the central magnet. So outward travel is always south, and east or west becomes you circling the center, like running laps around a track. That's why some FE maps draw east or west as curves instead of straight lines. It looks wrong until you try it with the plate. It's not just anti-science, it's visual. It promises a world you can hold in your hand. It leans into distrust of institutions and edges, and humans love edges. And honestly, the plate plus compass demo feels satisfying. Your brain clicks. Here's a new what if I've never seen written: the rim drift hypothesis. If north is the center, then as you approach the ice wall, compass declination would become extreme, your needle constantly resolving toward the center. To a traveler, that would feel like an invisible current in the air, like navigation itself is drifting you along the rim. So the wall wouldn't just be ice, it would be a zone of disorientation where every path wants to curve. On a globe, that's just declination math, but in the plate story, it becomes the myth of a guarded ring you can't cross because reality pulls you back. Biblically, people talked about the ends of the earth and the four corners, poetic language from a human vantage point. Whichever map you love, the takeaway's the same. We're small, the world is vast, and truth isn't afraid of questions. This is an explainer, not an endorsement. I'm walking you through what they claim and why it clicks, plus a new angle. So tell me, does the center north plate make the compass feel simpler or messier? And what do you think of the rim drift hypothesis? Build on it, break it, or bend it? Comments are open.